introduction.
Good morning, Ma'am. I'm Kalima Rizoma Mangadang. I'm 37 years old, a high school graduate. I can read, write English. I am married with 5 children from 17 years old to 4 years old. I used to stay in province, but right now I'm staying here in Manila.
Do you have experience before working here in the Philippines or in other countries?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here in the Philippines.
How long?
2008 and 2010.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of food?
Filipino food with Muslim food.
Do you know how to take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the baby you took care?
3 years and 4 years old.
Who is the baby?
My employer's mom, baby.
Do you like to take care newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to take care elder people?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the elder people?
60 years old.
Who is the elder people?
From Marawi, ma'am.
Who is the elder people?
Rahma, ma'am.
Do you willing to help elder people take a bath?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you car wash?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you drive car?
No, ma'am.
Do you smoke cigarettes?
No, ma'am.
Can you finish your contract for 2 years?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of pets like dogs, cats?
No, ma'am.
Do you have an allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to garden or any knowledge in gardening?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to bring friends inside the house or any place near to the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, why do you want to work in other countries?
I can help my parents and my children and to myself. Thank you, ma'am.